What should you do to create your first YouTube channel in 2025? Hello there, this is your Kumar Prashant. Are you interested to create a YouTube channel of your own in 2025? Well, if you are thinking about it, let us discuss about the steps that you should take. First step, define your niche and audience. First, identify niche name. For instance, let us say practical wisdom is the name that you want to give to your niche, or something similar that encapsulates wisdom and actionable insights. Who should be your target audience? The millennial and Gen Z seeking financial literacy and life guidance, professionals and students interested in self-improvement, philosophy enthusiasts who want actionable takeaways, parents and educators looking for engaging moral lessons. Now, let us look at step 2. Step 2 would be content structure and strategy. Key pillars of content. First, financial education. Teach budgeting, investing, and savings through simple, actionable advice. Highlight lessons from ancient philosophers about wealth. For example, Stoic views on money, Indian Arthashastra principles, etc. Second, ancient philosophy for modern life. Explain philosophical principles like Stoicism, Buddhism, and how they apply to stress management, decision making, or leadership. Use engaging metaphors or stories from ancient texts to simplify complex ideas. 3. Moral stories with a twist. Present short, thought-provoking stories from myths, folklore, or modern parables that end with actionable life lessons or financial wisdom. Create story series tying ancient wisdom to modern challenges. For example, The Ant and the Grasshopper's Guide to Financial Planning. Step 3. Format and presentation. Video styles. Short form content should be 1 to 3 minutes. Quick financial tips tied to philosophical quotes or stories. Medium length explainers must be between 5 to 8 minutes. Break down a concept, for example, how the Stoics would budget in 2024-25. Storytelling videos should be 5 to 10 minutes. Narrate moral stories with engaging visuals and link them to real-life applications. Visuals, minimalist animations, infographics, or stock videos. Include relevant quotes or ancient art to complement the philosophical theme. Tone. Tone must be conversational yet authoritative. Balance depth with simplicity. Speak to both the curious beginners and the reflective thinkers. Step 4 should be your monetization plan. First, YouTube ads. Financial content tends to attract high CPM rate. Affiliate marketing. Promote financial tools, investment platforms, budgeting apps, and self-improvement books. Tone. Tone must be conversational yet authoritative. Balance depth with simplicity. Speak to both the curious beginners and the reflective thinkers. Step 4 should be your monetization plan. First, YouTube ads. Financial content tends to attract high CPM rate. Affiliate marketing. Promote financial tools, investment platforms, budgeting apps, and self-improvement books. Merchandises. Sell printable wisdom cards, e-book, or journals themed around philosophy and financial planning. Courses and webinars. Offer paid courses combining philosophy and financial planning. For example, the Stoics Guide to Wealth, Membership program. Create a Patreon or channel membership offering exclusive content like in-depth lessons or story breakdowns. Step 5. Content calendar and growth plan. Make a weekly schedule. Your day 1 should discuss on financial tips. For example, how to create a budget inspired by ancient philosophy. Your third day would be philosophical explainer. For instance, Aristotle, his golden mean applied to modern life, work-life balance. Day 5 would be moral stories. For instance, the merchant and the philosopher, lessons on wealth and simplicity. Your growth tactics would be like SEO. Use keywords like financial literacy, philosophy for life, and moral stories with lessons. Social media. Share bite-sized quotes, tips, or reels on Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Community engagement. Create polls and question answer sessions to engage your audience. Encourage discussions on applying ancient wisdom in comment. Now, why this niche can succeed? First, unique blend. It combines practicality like finance with timelessness like philosophy and relatability like stories. And it has evergreen appeal. It balances trend-driven content with enduring wisdom, ensuring long-term relevance. It has a cross-demographic appeal because it is on finance. Financial literacy appeals to all. Philosophy attracts thinkers, and stories resonate universally. By consistently delivering value in these three interconnected areas, you will carve a niche that inspires, educates, and engages a diverse audience. I suggest your channel name should be like Wisdom and Wealth, Practical Philosophy, Money and Meaning, The Modern Sage. Wisdom and Wealth captures the essence of blending financial education with life lessons. Similarly, Practical Philosophy is straightforward and it appeals to those seeking actionable wisdom. Money and Meaning would combine the practical and reflective themes effectively. The Modern Sage positions the channel as a guide for contemporary living. Is Faceless channel feasible? Yes, Faceless channel is indeed feasible. You can make this channel faceless, and here is how. First, use voiceovers to narrate stories, explain concepts, or give lessons. Second, pair the narration with visual elements like stock videos, animations, or text-based slides. Third, maintain a consistent aesthetic theme for brand identity. I end here for today, and I thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, click on like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.